Here I am at Playland Amusement Park on this Thursday afternoon. Well, 2021. And the time right now is 25 minutes to 3 o'clock p.m. It's removing the pool. Look at that. An officer below. As you enter the park, at that round circle, told me next year they're building a brand new pool. Imagine that. Yep. It's going to be something. A brand new pool. I guess that other one had a lot of problems. It was on the news. It stated that it was leaking the cement underneath. Hey, you know, many years of decay, you know. That looks pretty good over there, you know. Looking real good. Yep. I'm very impressed. They're taking a lot of pride in doing work here. You know? Okay. All right. So that completes the video.